Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to block the phone numbers on this device. First we need to open the phone app. To do it, simply tap on this icon right here. In the app, tap on More Options icon in the top right corner to open the menu and then select the settings. Here, tap on Block Numbers and right here we can, for example, enable the option to block unknown/private numbers by tapping the switch next to it, like this. We can also tap on block spam and scam calls. And here we can enable this option by tapping the switch. And below, we can enable the option to block spam and scam calls by tapping the switch. And here we have block all spam and scam calls, or only block the high-risk scam calls. And you can select the option you like. And at the bottom we have show your name and number. Basically, if you enable this option, you will share your number with the HIA, so the other people can see this info when you call them. Okay, let's disable this and go back. And if you want to block the number manually, you have this option right here. You can tap right here, enter the number you want to block, and tap the plus button to add it to the blacklist. You can also tap on recent to open the recent history of your calls and select the number here, or you can select the number from contacts by tapping on contacts. And for example, we can select this one, then tap done, and this number will be blocked also, as you can see. You can also remove the numbers from the block list. To do it, simply tap on the minus button next to it, like this. And that's how you block the numbers or the phone numbers on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.